for Light. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a music video with the video graphic to put on your YouTube channel. Okay, so before you make a music, you have to download any music you like that is not copyright music, and you can find the application called Pixar Loop, and you can choose any video you like, photo you like, any photo, your own photo or any that you can love it, you want to put it on social media. So I love this photo and I will make it with this application, and also I will make after I will use the other application to put music because this is not full, so you can use just a free application. Okay, so when you come here you can go to, okay, I show you with this touch. So you go to the animation, no, you go to the sky if you want to replace the sky. So we have a lot of sky replacement here, free, and you can just play it to see how it look like. Okay, and this one is the pro one. If you use this one, we will need your login and buy it. So you don't use the pro one, you use, or if you love it you can just pay for the pro one. So we also have a free Skype here. Okay, nice. Okay, look nice, but this is also paid version. You can recognize what is the paid version is here. It's pro one, or you can see up there when we put the paid version it will be pro only. So you can try the one that don't have any watermark here. Okay, for example I use this one, but you can consider to buy this one for a pro, or you have any way to crack, I don't know. So a lot of feature that you can use for your music, and nice graphic. YouTube user will be like your video. Okay, so I go this one for the free one. Come on, and then I go to the other function. I just change the sky right now, so I'm going to overlay. Okay, we have many video effects here, but okay, it also have free and pro as well. Okay, this is also nice. This one also nice. Okay, which one you love? You can put how much you want. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Oh. Okay, this one I love it. Okay. So I use this one element. If you want to use any element here, like we'll have some birds flying. Okay, or you can use like a fire. Okay, now I love this one, and then I'm go back. So one is sky replacement, and another one overlay and element. Overlay is this one, element is the fire, and camera effect is make the photo have animation, go back and front. So your video will never quiet, it will always have activity. Okay, so let's go. So we go to another application to put the music. So I got 4 applications in my phone. I can choose any application. So I choose Viva Video. Oh sorry, I choose iMovie to make sure that you can understand. Or also we can use KineMaster.
Please consider to subscribe on my channel. Thank you. See you again with the next tutorial.